Hello again, everyone, and congratulations on making it to the final hurdle of the class, the final project, Ethical Reasoning, Political Theory, and Global Issues. This final project is an ePortfolio project, which asks you to create an ePortfolio, and you do that by clicking on Account, and then clicking on ePortfolios, which takes you to a welcome page. The overall assignment is explained under Assignments by clicking on the title of the assignment, the final project. And there you'll find, under Getting Started, a template. When you click on this template, it takes you to the very same kind of welcome page you will find when you create your own ePortfolio. I want to draw your attention to the tabs or these pages I have here on the right, these links. When you create your own ePortfolio, these links will not be there. It'll just say welcome, which is this page here. And the way you create these pages is by clicking on this and then add another page, and then you title the page, and then you click on Done Editing. When you do, it will appear right there. For your projects, you need to create all three of these links here: the case study analysis, and videos. Under Case Study, you'll find the directions for case study. At least on my template, yours will be completely blank when you open it. But I'm opening it here to give you a sample of what your work should look like upon completion of the project. It should basically look like what you see on your screen from this point forward or down. I'm going to scroll down slowly so you get a good look. You'll note that there are images, complete with sources for those images. You'll note that there's text for each case study that's analyzing different parts of the project, and of course works cited for each part. You'll see subject headings and titles, maps and graphs as needed. Here you have a political cartoon. And finally, works cited again. That's just a little glimpse of what you need to be thinking about in terms of how you want your page to look. Now, if you click on Videos, I have left a sample there for you. It's a 5-minute and 22-second video from a former student, and it's their reflection video. And you don't actually have to be in the video yourself. You can pretty much just do what this student did, where he recorded himself riding on a bus, making observations. And you're free to do something similar, or something completely different, or simply videotape yourself or video record yourself. For your presentation, for your class presentation, there will be another video. So you would have two videos here, one for your reflection and one for your presentation. And a good example of your video presentation is this video that you are watching now. You want to do something like this, where you're showcasing your work and explaining it as you move through it. That's all I have for you now. I want to thank you for being in the class. I want to wish you the best, and let's see where you go from here.